Hello guys, welcome back to my studios. This is Minha and today I'm going to show you how you can make an amazing logo on your mobile. Okay, so there's a big chance you can see this video in the YouTube shorts or in my YouTube channel. So if you're new, please subscribe and like this video. So first of all guys, we need to just search Design Evo and open the app named Design Evo Logo Maker. Install it, open it, and this is how the interface looks like. And I'm just going to find a logo template really quick, and as you can see they have millions of these. Okay, and this site is paid. This is paid, but I'm going to show you how you can get this for free. Okay, so first let me just find this. I think this one's good. Yeah, so now guys, I'm just going to change the text and stuff. Just a sec, yeah. Yeah. Now guys, here you can choose a color for your background, and now what you can do is guys, you need to press on you just need to take a screenshot. Okay, I've showed you the shortcut as you saw there, and guys, then you can just crop them. Okay, the screenshots are saved to the gallery, and you can go to a gallery and get your wallpaper over there. And yeah, it's pretty neat, it's pretty cool, and from my opinion, I really love it. Okay, so guys, that was it. As always, I was Studios.